awuthi ngiqale phansi kuthiwa yena uneenkomo ezintathu leze bezu7 akuzona ezakhe zonke uneentathu kuloyo 7 bafikile ke laba bafana bangapha la ngingazikhona bazolanda ezabo ezinti uyangizwa ukuthi ngithi akuzona ezakhe inkomo yena akekho emaplazini uthila nezimayini inkomo lezi ubebolekiwe ngoba bebethi uyolobola wagcina
give them the hey man I'm talking give them the hey man I can't say it now. Maybe I'll say it in the next game. Hey, something's wrong. I can't say it. Anyways, let's talk about the game. Mackenzie, did you forget you're playing relegation? Every game you are playing is a cup final. When Mackenzie, you have a chance to play at home, Seshiro, Raye, Ekaya, but you're like, no, you can play at your ground, but no, let's take Pirates to the Coliseum. Let's take Pirates to go play carpet football. Let's give them a big pitch so they can distribute their passing. I don't understand, Mackenzie, what you are doing here in relegation. Mackenzie, bye-bye. Now look, you twerked. You took them to that stadium and you twerked. Marawadu ball is dangerous. Huh? Attack. But it's just, they don't stop attacking you. You've got Otto running 80 minutes. Otto, enough. Otto, after the season, my brother, sit down. We have suffered you enough. You are too good for this league. Don't you get tired, Otto? 90 minutes. Up and down, Otto. 90. And I said previously, AFCON, I need Tito. I need Tito at the World Cup. Go to Bruce. You see, if we are throwing a game or losing a game 1-0, 80 minutes, you throw on Tito. How are we getting an equalizer? Tito Lungwana says the same time we are getting an equalizer at the World Cup. Tito, that left foot, man. It's got that thing, that left foot, man. Hey, ambulance just there's something about that left foot, man. Hey, it can penetrate. It can defend splitting passes. Something about that left foot. Yo. So Pirates are smelling blood because look now. They made Mackenzie twerk. They've got 2 more games. There's something that they're eyeing out within their range. Could they fetch it? And before I even get them a Buccaneer, I need that apology loud and clear. For CBS, it must be loud and clear. The guy has faced criticism so many times during the season. Mara, look, thanks to him, 19 clean sheets, record breaking. And CBC is at the helm of that. So, apology loud and clear. But yeah, hey, they are firing on all cylinders. We are in trouble, man. Hey, I see danger. I sense danger. Pirates has arrived. Pirates is here, knocking. They want to come in and fetch it. It's all happening Betway Premiership.
Bafethu, this you will only find it in South Africa, where number 1 achasa number 2 for the league. Ukuthi njani? Hey, asazi. But number 1 uchase number 2 for the league, not the other way around. Ukuthi number 2 chase number number 2 is being chased by number 1 for the title.
Hayi siyabonga bakuthi hayi basebenzile abafana siyabonga nje 3 points we move. I think mekukhona uChipezeze mfethu sishaya ama shots mfethu awasave namhlanje besingashuthi kodwa bekhona. I think Orlando Pirates urile maye ngekho emodini kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi khona libonile igoli latito lalisa amadoda ngabe uselishaya kwesibili manje lela goli wayeseqede ngabantu kwigame yeMarumo Gallants umbuthuma wamaka ayi namhlanje ke mahopa ke bengale walishaya ulishaya ngemove eqala uyena le esenta baba hayibo Tito hayi bafethu uMoremi kuyazwakala ukuthi akekho kuyabonakala uyanini angezwe abafethu uba umunye ongekho John Wick hayibo bapha abantu kodwa ke cha nje Congratulations, change my attitude, a record-breaking goalkeeper njengoba 19 in a single season. Nawo lawa u2 wasele ngisawa-ayile shuthi 21 kahle igoli. Kodwa ke bakwethu Magesi nje ayihambi bafethu Magesi or kanjani ayakuza abanye ayikho lento mfethu. Ayikho quality abanayo. Cishe baqeda igame without a shot on target. Indlela bekukube ngayo kodwa ke siyabonga bafethu angikhali ngalutho. Kahle angifuni ukukhala. Ya, ngicela ngisho njalo. Ngibone bekora mfethu benga-celebrate. Kuyasho ukuthi hayibo lezi zinto ezenzeke ngale zenze something ngalanga kuthina kodwa siyiyeke into zangale okhipha bethu bakwi-World Cup lapha.
When I saw Maswanganyi scoring the opener like that and yet not celebrating, that's when I knew that we are cooked. They no longer celebrate goals. They don't celebrate goals. Orlando Pirates doesn't celebrate goals anymore. The Orlando Pirates that we had this season was ruthless, was hungry, was determined, and the mindset was priceless. And to those who will remember, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Sometimes, in anything, you are as good as you are allowed to be. I think I said this about players, but now let's relate it to teams. Sometimes you are only as good as you are allowed to be, because let's be honest, Mamelodi Sundowns always reaches this amount of points in a season, but Orlando Pirates just didn't allow them this season to win the league with those amounts of points. They fought, and that's why now it's looking like the league is finally slipping away from them because they were challenged. One can also say they were stretched beyond their limits, and now they're not used to it. They're not used to the pressure. What we are currently experiencing right now is etiquette, mindset, teamwork, and hunger, possibly defeating quality, experience, and value. This Orlando Pirates team is called Take a Bow.
Unina wayiningamaphara sisuka anokwazi ukudayisa nina hawu yazi ngamaphara straight yazi phela iphara liyakwazi ukufika lithatha into ka10,000 ethengwe ngo10,000 lintshontshe lihambe liyoyidayisa u200 liyoyidayisa u50 yabo ilento eniyenza izolo le nto yeni obvious yabo manje obvious hayi yabo lapha mandliwa nina asikho iscore esinje ya kwiPSL into engekho leyo into engekho nje asikho iscore ku274 into engekho akona kwiPremier League phela le nto yenu nje obvious kakhulu nalo yamdlalo wangolesithawu ngolesibili ozodlalwa iSundowns neTS Galaxy. TS Galaxy ayidayisela iSundowns lo mdlalo ayudayise iSundowns iwine lapha ngo15-0. Amagoli manje ayasebenza ke manje. Wonke umuntu ulwela amagoli manje. Indaba yokushaya igoli elilodwa isasebenzi manje. Iwona indaba yama points. Isiya ke ngama points manje. Amagoli asebenzayo manje.